Hello, so now I have moved on to the second question of this problem. So in the second question, they're again asking about the expected value, revenue, but when you decide to use first price sealed bid auction. So in the first price sealed bid auction, the optimal strategy for everyone to use is defined like this. So it's explained in the slides, I think. So bid equals n minus 1 over n times v. And we'll be using this. So now we can, no, we should calculate for the revenue the expected price we will receive, and the expected price we will receive can be derived from the expected value or expected realization of this V for the highest valuation person, which would be just, so expected value of this, so expected value of the highest V is basically expected value of max V1 to Vn. And as we know, expected value was, so from 0 to 1, x times fx. Fx was derivative from CDF. And CDF was probability that x is less than x. So here we plug this in. And we knew that this was just probability that v1 is less than x times probability that v2 is less than x times so on and so forth, probability that vn is less than x, and probability that v1 is less than x when v is distributed from 0 to 1 is basically the distance from 0 to x divided by the whole distance, 1, so it's just x. So this is just x in the power of n. So CDF is x in the power of n. The probability density function is derivative from that, so it's n times x n minus 1. You plug this here, you have then integral from 0 to 1 n times x n. You can take n out, and you have n times x n plus 1 over n plus 1 from 0 to 1. We don't care about 0 because it's just going to be 0, so we just write n over n plus 1. So the expected value of the highest valuation person is n over n plus 1, and they will be this multiplied by this. So where should I write this? N minus 1 over n times n plus 1, which is n minus 1 over n plus 1. So we again plug this 10 here, so it's 9 over 11. We plug 9 over 11 here, and we get 100 plus 90, and we get 190. So in the end, we get the same revenue as we would have gotten in the second price sealed bid auction. So that's the answer for question 2.